Hey, what is up everyone? So today we're gonna go ahead and start putting angel eyes onto the E46. It seems like a really simple process. I did get started on one headlight just because I wanted to go ahead and do it first. I haven't seen how to do these, and I mean it looks pretty straightforward to me, and I just wanted to see if I can check it out. So I mean I bought one off of Amazon. You guys can see I bought the LED versions of these, and I started to mock up the wiring and everything. So if you guys actually want to go ahead and see, I'll show you guys now. So far that's how they're sitting. You can see the wires being exposed there. All that, it's still not fully set. I'm gonna go ahead and put the adhesive on and sit everything down because this does come with double-sided tape, which is good, but that's how it should look like. Now we're gonna go ahead do the other headlight here to make sure you guys can see how the whole process has to be done. Now for me, I noticed that this BMW, the other headlight is factory, this one is not, but you can see here that you're supposed to have some clips that go right here and you pull out the little plastic tabbing. Well, this one doesn't have it, which is fine. It has this little guy that protects it. All we have to do is just start pulling this guy out, and for mine it doesn't even have a clip really. These ones just pop out, but usually you put in a flathead screwdriver there. You can't really see it, but there's a pin right there, or you just pull it to the side. You can see this little tab here gets pushed to the side and you're able to pull it out. This guy for some reason gets pulled out in and out easily. So now that this guy here is out, you want to take off this little lower bracket here, which should be able to come right off like this. There's these 3 pins up here, and you can just pull up these little tabs. There's another one in here, and then 3 more down here. With just that, you can just want to come here, in case these are kind of sealed in tightly, you can just come in here and just try to pry off a little bit, but be careful. After a while of struggling, I took this off. You guys can see there's like adhesive everywhere here. There's all this sealant here, and I'm not sure why anyone would do that. I mean, it just seemed like whoever owned this before me, or before the person who owned it before me, didn't know exactly how, or that these guys come off without having to need any sealant on them. Alright, so we got the angel eye, right? This one right here goes for this big guy right here. And I mean, I can place this guy if I want to, just right on here for now. Put him there. Looks decently nice. I'm gonna put a double-sided tape and put it on here just where it can stick, and maybe up here. But now you say, oh well, where is this guy gonna go? Well, you're gonna slide it right through here, and on your high beam there is a grommet that you can, just take aside and push this guy in. As you can see now, all these guys, both those ones are back on and everything. Now I did wire, so you have this wire that comes right through here. That's the little fuse right there, and I opened up the fuse box, of course, routed it through here, went all the way around and into this guy. So like I said, I have this small fuse here, which to get this guy going, it comes with this little splicer here, and you have this guy right here to tap into the accessory, which should be this white, red, and gold cable here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna cut the extra wire here and just splice it in all together. You can see it's already spliced in there. I like to go ahead and start splicing it down with one of these guys here, just to make sure there's enough contact there that it actually goes all the way through in. And then I'm able to just securely top this guy off like that. Now, just to make sure that everything's okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the keys into the accessory and see if that goes in. Also, before you forget, you also want to make sure you ground it as well. There is a guy right here where I can ground it from, so that should be fine for me. But for those of you who are wondering, the grommet is like just right there. You pull it out and you splice it through this foot lamp. If you pull it out, there's a yellow wire and you splice it through there. Alright, you guys can see that the lights are on. The keys are not in the ignition, they're actually over there. I still have to kind of figure out all this extra wiring here. I did come down here, as you guys can see, I kind of routed it through the plastic here. Now everything's in place, and all I can do is just push this up in there and set it down. But unfortunately, this guy here ended up ripping, so I will fix this and then redo everything. But that should be it for everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.